Hey guys, Engineer Pat 529 coming to you with another unboxing video. And the box is addressed to me, and I wonder what's in this box. There's only one way to find out. Let's open this thing up. Oh, is this what I think it is? Sure is. I was able to get one of these. Ba-ba-da! The Norfolk Southern Athearn Genesis SD60E with DCC and sound. Can't wait to check this thing out of the box. I love this box. These packages are really hard to open sometimes. Of course, all the paperwork. I want to keep this in the box. Oh my goodness. Let's see how I'm gonna get this thing open here. Athearn really packages these things well, and I love them for it. I have got to say, what a masterpiece. I love this unit. Man, look at that. Even got the details in the cab too. Man, just love this thing. Love it, love it, love it. So I will be doing a review on this. And, well, there's your latest unboxing, guys. An Athearn Genesis First Responders SD60E. I'm proud to say that I have seen the real deal, and it's my favorite 60E. So I couldn't resist. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing, and a review will be coming soon. All right, guys. Good night, and may God bless.